Are you tired of spending endless hours brainstorming content ideas only to feel like you're running in circles chasing after niches that never seem to work? Have you found yourself jumping from topic to topic, desperately trying to crack the YouTube algorithm only to be met with frustration and slow growth? It's exhausting, right? Now imagine this. What if I told you there's a hidden niche, a secret gold mine that's been sitting right under your nose all along? A niche so powerful, so magnetic, and so engaging that it could start monetizing your channel in as little as 20 days. That's right, 20 days. Sound too good to be true? It's not. And here's the best part. It works. This isn't just some random niche. This is one of YouTube's most binge-waivily, high-potential categories that attracts millions of viewers every single day. We're talking about the true crime niche. Yes, true crime. Think about it. Stories of mystery, suspense, and intrigue that keep viewers glued to their screens for hours on end. This is the niche where storytelling meets obsession, where creators build loyal fan bases, and where the growth potential is through the roof. Let's get into it. 1. The true crime obsession. True crime isn't just another niche. It's a full-blown cultural phenomenon that has captivated millions. From critically acclaimed TV series like Making a Murderer to top-charting podcasts like Crime Junkie, the fascination with real-life mysteries and the dark psychology of crime is everywhere. But guess what? YouTube is where this obsession thrives the most, and the demand for true crime content is absolutely insane. Let's break down why this niche has explosive potential. Emotionally charged stories, true crime hits hard. It dives deep into fear, curiosity, justice, and the unknown. Core emotions that instantly grab and hold viewers' attention. Viral potential. Cases tied to high-profile crimes, unsolved mysteries, or bizarre twists have massive appeal and the ability to go viral. People love sharing these stories. Dedicated audience. True crime fans aren't casual viewers. They're loyal, obsessed, and hungry for content. These viewers binge watch for hours, often returning for more. Want proof? Look at creators like Bailey Sarian. She took her unique murder mystery and makeup series and turned it into a million-dollar empire. Her success isn't random, it's a blueprint for what's possible in the true crime niche. With the right approach, you can tap into this cultural wave and ride it straight to YouTube's success. 2. Monetization opportunities. Here's the exciting part. True crime content isn't just captivating, it's incredibly monetizable. If you play your cards right, this niche can unlock multiple revenue streams, turning your passion for storytelling into a thriving business. Let's break down the top ways to cash in on the true crime craze. Ad revenue. True crime videos tend to have high watch times because viewers get hooked on the suspense and storytelling. Longer videos mean more mid-roll ads, which translate to higher earnings. Plus, advertisers are often willing to pay premium rates for content with such high viewer engagement. Affiliate marketing. The true crime niche naturally aligns with a variety of products you can promote through affiliate links. Think crime documentaries, investigative books, home security systems, self-defense tools, or even forensic science kits. The possibilities are endless. Sponsorships. Brands love partnering with channels that have loyal and engaged audiences. For true crime, this could mean deals with companies offering crime-themed subscription boxes, forensic tools, or even mental health and wellness apps for those impacted by dark stories. Merchandise. Let's face it, true crime fans wear their obsession proudly. You can design and sell custom merch like True Crime Junkie hoodies, mugs, or tote bags featuring infamous quotes, eerie graphics, or case references that resonate with your audience. What makes this even better? With just a few viral videos, you could establish multiple income streams in no time. Channels like Stephanie Harlow and Eleanor Neal have proven how lucrative true crime can be when paired with smart monetization strategies. Citation needed. Ready to make true crime your next big move? Let's keep building this roadmap to your success. 3. Why this works fast. Now, you're probably wondering, why can this niche work so quickly? It's simple. Evergreen content. Old cases never stop being relevant. You can post a video today and it will still be watched years later. Low barrier to entry. You don't need expensive production, just solid storytelling, good research, and engaging visuals. Built-in keywords. True crime cases often have high search volume. Covering a trending story could skyrocket your views overnight. Ready to dive into the true crime niche? Here's your step-by-step game plan to set your channel apart and start building a dedicated audience. Pick your sub-niche. True crime is a broad category, so narrowing your focus is key. Are you drawn to solved cases, unsolved mysteries, serial killers, conspiracy theories, or survivor stories? Each sub-niche attracts a slightly different audience, so choose one that aligns with your passion and storytelling style. Research like a detective. Accuracy is everything in true crime. Viewers expect well-researched, credible content. Use verified sources like court records, reputable news outlets, or documentaries, and always double-check your facts. This builds trust and keeps viewers coming back. Build suspense. The magic of true crime lies in its storytelling. Treat your videos like a thriller. Start with a strong hook that pulls viewers in immediately. Then structure your content to keep them guessing until the very end. Tease twists and turns without giving away too much too soon. Optimize for search. True crime fans often search for specific cases or keywords, so make sure your titles, tags, and descriptions are optimized. Use phrases like true crime, unsolved mystery, solved case, or the name of the crime or person you're covering. This boosts visibility and helps your videos reach the right audience. Brand your channel with a unique twist. With so much competition in this niche, branding is essential. Think about what makes your channel stand out. Will you use animations, add personal commentary, integrate a theme setup, or even combine true crime with something unique like makeup, a la Bailey Sarian? Consistency in style and presentation will make your channel memorable. Most importantly, start small and refine as you go. True crime is all about connection. If you're passionate, thorough, and creative, your audience will notice. So grab your notebook, pick your first case, and let's bring your channel to life. The true crime niche isn't just another passing trend. It's a goldmine bursting with opportunity, just waiting for you to tap into it. If you've been dreaming about turning your passion for storytelling into a profitable and thriving YouTube channel, now is the time to dive in. There's no better moment than this to join the ranks of creators who are captivating millions with gripping narratives and engaging content. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll be dropping more insider tips, proven strategies, and behind-the-scenes secrets to help you monetize your YouTube channel and dominate your chosen niche. Let's make 2025 the year you crush your goals and turn your YouTube dreams into reality.